Hi everyone, this is Hana. I'm studying MA Graphic Communication and this is Gill Street North, my accommodation, and today I'm gonna give you a quick tour of it. Let's go. So here we have several blocks. As you can see, I'm staying in block F and it's actually next to the reception. So if we need to pick a parcel, if we have any questions, if there is anything, this is where we go. And then this is my block. We also have the laundry here. We have two laundry rooms. This one is the one we can use the cards in. It's like the automatic one, and the other one is the one we can use the coins in. So we have several floors. For each floor there are several shared flats, but I live on the last floor, which has studios and twin studios. So the reception we pass next to downstairs is open 24/7, and yeah, if you have any inquiry or if anything happens anytime, you can go and ask. If there is anything damaged in the room, you tell them and they fix it right away. So this is my corridor, and usually we have the hoover and the iron kept for us to clean on our own pace. And then this is my room. Welcome to my room. So here I live in a studio. So I have the kitchen inside, and I don't have an oven, but I have a stove and I have a microwave and a kettle and a toaster. And honestly, I never needed anything else. I also have a cupboard where I can keep food or snacks. And what I do is that I don't like to cook every day. So what I do, it's either I cook something in the weekend that can fit several days, or I get the ready-made meals. I keep them in the freezer just in case I'm too lazy today and I don't want to cook. So I also have the fridge and the freezer, and I have the toilet here. So I have the sink, I have the mirror, the toilet itself, and I have a shower. We also have a table and two chairs, which is very nice because then I can invite my friends to come over. We can have breakfast together or dinner together, and it's making the room bigger, you know? Okay, and then I have my wardrobe and I have my desk, and this is where I study all the time. Honestly, it's very big. I keep my books here, my laptop, all my pens and markers and tools. And then I was trying to make it feel like home. So I've put here a lot of flyers and posters that were given to me by the university. And also I've added like my resolutions and, you know, like some of my artworks. Yeah, so I also here have like a wall of memories where I have pictures of my family and friends. And you know, whenever I feel a bit down, I just look on my right and I see them, so it makes me feel better. And as you can see here, this is another accommodation in front of us, provided by the university as well. It's Gill Street South. And you can see NTU at the back. There is a big building. You can see actually several buildings. Like there is one on the left, and there is also, you can see one on the right, which is Waverley Building. You can see the NTSU building. So yeah, we are in a perfect location. That's the best thing about this accommodation, to be honest. The location. It's 5 minutes from everything. It's 5 minutes from all the university buildings and also from the supermarket. And it's 5 minutes from the city center, from which you can buy anything you want. You want to buy food, you want to buy clothes, any tool you need. So yeah. So this is my way to uni every day. I go from this way. We have a restaurant just in front of us. It takes me around 3 minutes maybe to get to my building. It's very close, you're gonna see. So if you look from this side, it's my building, Waverley. And then from the other side, it's the NTSU building. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and hopefully I'm gonna see you here soon. Bye!